This is the elevator at JCPenney at the Mall St. Matthews in Louisville, Kentucky. This used to be a Dover, modernized by, I think, a Kone. Going up? Floor going to? 2? Oh, this is a Ceder? Ceder elevator. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Going up?
Oh,
wow. You kidding me, right? A Ceder elevator. Here we go. Listen to the motor. Nice motor. Like I said, it used to be a Dover / Ceder. Modernized, I think, Kone. Don't talk over that to avoid getting a copyright claim. So we made like cartoons that will get me a copyright strike. Going down?
Thank you.
You have a good day. Going down?
Yes.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Ceder elevator. It's a nice elevator. There is Elevation Universal. Phone doors jammed. Thankfully, I have a cell phone. Good to have a cell phone. Hopefully, they kept the Dover blue. Hopefully, they kept the blue shaft equipment. Back up to 2. Going up. Going up.
Yeah, so. Is there an escalator here?
You waiting for the next one?
Sir, is there an escalator here?
Yes, there is.
We didn't seem to know where it was.
Oh, I'll start to hear that. Either way, this is my experience. This is more interesting than that.
Yeah.
This is definitely more interesting. This indicator tells me that this was an old Dover elevator.
Oh, yeah?
Before Ceder modded it.
Oh my goodness.
Or Cody, go down to 1. Going down?
Yeah,
What floor? 1?
I'm gonna go down to the basement.
If they have one, only the freight elevator. Think it's only the freight elevator that serves if they have it.
No, it's just only there's 2 floors.
Oh, they would have, because if they would have been 3, that would only a freight would have served it.
Right.
Yeah. I wonder what the freight here looks like.
I said, no, I'm gonna have
There you go.
to do that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Going up?